One more try can put it back. I will return this before movie night.
Mom, it says the payment did not work.
A final warning? Could I lose my job? If I recover the money today, Julie will never need to know. $5 from my fun money. That is all. It is only a game. I won already? Maybe I understand this better than I thought.
Dad, will you play with Issa and me?
In 1 minute. I want to see one more result. That cannot be right. One more try can put it back. I will return this before movie night. Nobody will lose anything.
What were you looking at?
Nothing important, just a game from work friends.
You looked worried, not entertained.
I am tired. That is all.
Then leave the phone here and drink your tea with me.
I cannot. A work message may arrive.
Work messages do not usually make you hide the screen.
Julie, please. I said it is nothing important.
Mom, it says the payment did not work.
James, do you know why this account is short?
The bank delayed something. It should return tomorrow.
Which payment was delayed?
I need to check. Please do not worry yet.
Can we choose a free family activity instead?
Yes, but the missing money still needs an answer.
James, the client update was due 20 minutes ago. Where is it? I thought I sent it. Give me 5 minutes. You did not finish it. This is the second time you missed a morning deadline. I have a small personal problem. It will not happen again. I hope not. I must record a final warning today. A final warning? Could I lose my job? Another serious failure could put your job at risk. Put the phone away and finish carefully. If I recover the money today, Julie will never need to know.
No. I was trying to fix it. I made it much worse.
If I stay here, I could miss another task. This has to stop.
We need to talk now.
I spent more than I planned on a betting game. The movie money is gone.
How much more? Is that the complete amount?
It is enough to embarrass me. I can replace it next week.
That did not answer either question. This bill was funded. The missing amount matches it. Start at the beginning. I need the whole truth, not a smaller version.
I won once, then lost. I kept chasing the money and lying to protect the next attempt.
Did it affect anything else?
I missed work deadlines. Martin gave me a final warning today.
How many times did you move money after your first limit?
4 times. Each time, I promised the next result would repair the last one.
Show me the real total. We cannot solve a hidden number.
This is everything. I cannot win it back safely. I need help stopping.
I am angry about the lies. I am still here, and we will use real barriers.
I kept thinking confession would create the problem.
The problem already existed. Confession finally lets us see it together.
I also need to apologize to Harry and Issa for disappearing beside them.
Yes, but they will not carry this debt or watch your accounts. Adults will handle that.
I will close the account, block access, and remove the app now.
Do it yourself. I will stay beside you.
I will contact a gambling support service tonight and arrange a bank spending block.
We need barriers that do not depend on one strong moment. We can arrange the bill, but rebuilding trust will take longer.
I understand. Whatever that plan involves, I will follow it.
We will review money together each evening this week. If something feels difficult, we talk before it grows.
I made everything worse by hiding it. I will not hide problems from you again.
Dad, can we play now?
Actually, we cannot play the board game tonight because we need to leave for the movie I owed you.
Mom said the bus is late. Harry! The bus is here! You lied to me!
Coach canceled practice today. He told me this morning. Then I'll go home early.
You lied to Leo.
Relax. It's not serious.
You should see your faces. Got you, Grandpa.
Harry, I'm in here. Open the door.
Mom said the bus is late. How late?
About 30 minutes.
Great! I can finish breakfast. Harry! The bus is here!
Maybe it came early. Why is Issa running outside? The bus came early.
The bus is exactly on time. You lied to me!
It was just a joke.
I almost missed the bus. But you didn't.
Coach canceled practice today. Really? He didn't message us. He told me this morning. Then I'll go home early.
Why did Leo leave?
Soccer practice was canceled.
Harry, practice starts at 4.
You lied to Leo.
He'll figure it out.
Then tell him now.
Relax. It's not serious.
I'll message him myself.
Isa, don't. He brought everything for practice.
Done.
You ruin every good joke.
That wasn't a good joke. Oh no.
What happened here? Godzilla knocked over my juice. Godzilla was outside. He came inside before you. The door is still locked. Did Godzilla really do this?
Maybe I bumped the table. Maybe?
Fine. I bumped it. Clean it up, please.
Why lie about something so small? It was easier, only for 5 seconds. Harry, don't!
I haven't done anything.
I know that face. Dad! There's a snake!
Where?
Behind the toolbox. Nobody touch it.
You should see your faces.
This isn't funny, Harry.
Nobody got hurt.
We stopped everything for you.
I told you not to do it.
Everyone takes everything too seriously.
The problem isn't the snake. The problem is believing you.
Harry, keep the ball outside.
I will, Grandpa. Grandpa! Help! I'm stuck inside!
Harry, where are you?
Got you, Grandpa!
Harry, I'm in here. Open the door.
The handle broke.
Please hurry! I'm stuck in here! The handle came off!
I'll be right back. Dad, Grandpa needs help. Harry, what happened this time?
Grandpa is trapped in the shed.
Is this another joke?
No, the handle broke. Where did you get that?
From the shed door.
Harry, yesterday you invented a snake.
I know, but I'm not lying. Dad, please. Harry, did you see Grandpa enter?
Yes. Then the door slammed.
And you heard him inside? Yes. Please come with me.
I'm gonna check.
Isa, wait.
Grandpa, I'm back. Grandpa really is inside. I told everyone. Stay here. I'll get Dad. Dad, Harry told the truth.
Show me the door.
Stand away from the door, Miro.
I'm clear.
Are you all right?
I'm fine. Just annoyed.
Nobody believed me
Why didn't they believe you?
because I kept lying. Thanks for checking, Isa. I almost didn't. I wouldn't blame you. Grandpa, you forgot these.
Thank you, Harry. Harry? Are those really my gloves?
Yes,
Really?
I guess I earned that question. Is the bus late today? I don't know. You could invent an answer.
I could. But I'd rather tell the truth.
That part is definitely true. Come on, we're already late.